We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV, fresh to solding.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on
How you feeling about steering out a marathon?
It's a lot of crab pots.
It's ridiculous amount. Like I broke down and put my glasses on. I don't ever wear my glasses. But you just can't steer through here. It's crazy. Hurry! Katie! Get Katie! Yeah? Come here! So this is where we're going to anchor for a while. Have a look. Hey, yeah, that's probably from being on the water. Are y'all looking this way? Yeah. How close we are to the beach? Is that better than marathon?
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I know. What are you think? It'll bite your nose. It's trying to get out, I think, to find out what's going on. Trying to protect itself, I'm sure. Yeah?
And then when I turn it over, it immediately goes back down.
Yep.
It takes a minute for it to gain confidence.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
So what you found?
I have no use or place to store spare change.
A geocache.
No.
Why?
Hey, tell me. Take whatever you want and just put this
And
person
you,
in there.
you take one item out and put one item in, basically.
Katie put a whole bunch of items in there. I put a bunch of
That's all
change
right.
in there. I want the mini car.
Yeah, I don't want one.
I want the marble. I want the marble. Yeah, cute. What kind of coin is that? Where's the other marble? Where's the other marble? I got our marble.
I didn't want anything.
Okay. Found something. I got a little car. I just thought it was cute.
Did it erase her?
The mystic floods over there. And now a raid's going on, so I can't battle the.
Oh,
I don't know why we don't geocache more often. It's free and it's stinking fun.
I got a little car. It's cute. It's not coming down.
I want. Yeah, I am done.
oh.
Climb it. Nope, not coming up.
Go on, you can do it.
You got it, come on. Wait, I'll help you up.
Bahai Honda,
Wait, there's something.
coral, stingray. He's lost his tips. So we decided with our friends to come down to, it's either pronounced Bahai Honda or Bahai Honda. It's a little state park just southwest of Marathon. It's absolutely beautiful. Coconut trees. If you're a military vet that has been wounded while you're on active service, everything's free. You can come in here, use the facilities every day, and you're not going to get charged. They do have a restaurant and a small dive shop, which is reasonably priced. You can get optic face masks for 60 odd bucks, which we were quite impressed with. And then there's a couple of nice sandy beaches that you can get to. That's the other thing that we've noticed around here, is there are very few beaches. Everywhere's mangrove bushes and trees. There's a couple of spots that we found that basically there are some alligators and they've got caution signs up, but the little anchorage that we're in, it's I wouldn't say it was 100% protected, but it's fairly reasonable protected, and because because it's got bridges on either side. We're not too bouncing around too much. Occasionally you'll get the wake of other boats, and occasionally jet skis. Jet skis are annoying me at the moment because I think of all the space that we've got here, and we've got hundreds of feet, if not thousands of feet, you know, why do you have to buzz my boat, you know, and cause it to bounce all over the place, you know, which is dangerous, especially if someone's handling some hot food inside the boat. One particular guy is really getting on my nerves at the moment. See you, buddy. Adios. See you in Panama.
Adios, see you!
Finally, the riff-raff are leaving. Today we're going to try and get the bus to Big Pine Key. It's supposed to be a couple of bucks.
So, but here's the thing. We've been doing Uber. We did Uber once from here, but so far since we sold the truck, we've been using Uber or Lyft. But to go get groceries the other day, we spent $30 to get to the grocery store and $30 to get back. That's $60 we could have spent on groceries.
Yeah. So we're going to try the local bus because it's a 5-mile walk to any store from here. So
and the convenience of Uber or Lyft is that they will take us right up to where the dinghy is. The bus won't, but it's $60 versus $8 for round trip for 2 of us. So
yeah,
I guess we're carrying groceries.
we'll see.
Well, Steven,
All right, yeah, let's rephrase.
Steven's carrying groceries. I can't carry any groceries. My back can't go with it.
Yeah.
That's just it. It's Steven's carrying groceries.
So the winds are about 16 knots at the moment.
Hey, I can carry bread.
The winds are about 16 knots right now. So we're just waiting on a friend to get back from Michigan so our buddy boat can join us.
And we're off to where?
And then we're off to Key West.
Look at these compared to those.
Yeah, has on them.
Yeah.
Pretty. Oh, it's some kind of light. It's pretty cool. So what do you think?
The bus isn't such a bad deal. The walking's not so great. The back kills me. I can't wear this up here where it belongs because it hurts. And there's literally all that's in my bag is a dozen eggs. It's not heavy. But if I put it up here, I can't feel my arm after a minute. So it's just sitting down there. It's weird. Maybe it'll get better in time. You know what I mean? The more we do it.
Yeah.
I hope.
Auto and marine parts.
What are we doing?
Waiting for the bus.
It's a long wait, but it's cheaper than Uber.
Well, if we hadn't taken so long to check out, because there was thousands of people checking out,
Oh yeah, so
I
they
think we just
had
missed the bus. So.
they had self-checkout. All of those were open, and the line was coming out of self-checkout, down, and then all the way down to the, like, out of self-checkout, turn the corner, turn another corner, and it went all the way to the end of the aisle. And then they had two checkers checking out, and both of their lines were across the walkway, down the aisles, all the way to the back of the store. And then people, there were a lot of people getting mad and just leaving their baskets sitting there with food in them and walking out the door. It was a pretty crowded deal. But anyway, and all we needed was potatoes and eggs. But we waited in line.
We just wanted to say a big thank you for watching the video, and if you've liked what you've seen, please click on that like button, and if you're new to the channel, we'd love it if you would subscribe. We just want to thank everybody that's already subscribed. We also want to thank Jim and Lisa for being one of our Patreons, and if you could think about supporting us through Patreon, that would be also an added bonus to us all, because we want to get better at doing this and get better video equipment.